Hey, Ken here, Old Man Writer, day 44 of the 100-Day Project. And a few people have asked what I am doing to get Claude AI, not the Claude Code subscription product, but the free version to work with my little Flutter project that I'm doing for the 100-Day Project. Let's get right into it. I have made a recording, so here we go. So the first thing you got to do, if you don't have the integrated version, is to get your code, the source code, into Claude. And this is just a drag and drop operation with all the files and all the folders. And it takes 40 seconds or whatever to copy them all in. And it doesn't seem to care about folder structure. It understands enough not to make a difference with that. So just copy them all into the Claude chat box and let it rip. Then when you're done moving the files over, you can ask a very specific question to Claude. The better question that you ask, the better answers you get. So mine was a very easy question. What I wanted to do is please review the code and give me ideas on how to make it more efficient. And type that in, hit enter, and Claude goes off to think. It takes a couple of minutes to get everything there. The work that it came back with is stuff that I worked on for 2, maybe 3 hours, among other things that I've been doing. To take each of these suggestions, there turns out to be 10 of them from this little demo, and implement them in code. Some were one-line trivial things not to do inside of a loop, and others were more extensive, and actually Claude generated some new files and refactored the code for me. So you can see now it's coming out one by one. There's our 10 items. This is the first one, and it happened to be redo the CRC calculation on the incoming packets and outgoing packets to make it more efficient. Now, I don't send that many packets, so improving this particular calculation is better, but it's not going to save the world. There are several that were much bigger as far as like redrawing maps when I didn't have to be, and Claude figured that out for me. You can see that there's a bunch of text being written as the slider gets smaller on the side, and we'll just scroll down a bit to see. Again, this is all real time from my recording, and there's 5 of 10 in there now and more to go. And just scroll down a bit more as I'm reading these as they're coming across and down to the end. And they span a lot of things. Some of them are big, like number 5, a lot of recalculations and displaying that didn't have to be done. And then there's one, a debug print that was in a loop, which is trivial at best. But that's the game. Then when you're done with all of the suggestions that code makes, you can go back. What I did was go back one by one on the list of 10, operate Claude to say, okay, generate the code, then move that back into my development system and run it. I did each of the 10 steps, confirm that they were all working, and they did. And that was how easy it was to get Claude to give me 10 significant, well, maybe not all significant, but 10 good changes in efficiency, whether they were significant because my code is on like a 4-second loop, so getting the system time twice in a 4-second loop as opposed to once, that's not really a big deal. But it's better code, a lot of refactoring, some comment restructuring to make the code look pretty as well, and it was all done by Claude AI, the free version, not the subscription Claude Code. Just wanted to share that. People asked. Now you've seen it. This is Ken from Old Man Writer. I'll see you later.